gnocchi dish that I am going to make today. Bonus category number 1, get creative and make a sauce. Today we are going to include a gorgonzola cream sauce and some basil pesto with our gnocchi, but we want to see what you've got. Bonus category number 2. There is a secret potato technique that we have employed today, but we have not recorded. Film yourself employing this technique in the preparation of your gnocchi. I know that you don't know what this is, but I'm going to give you a little clue. I could not help but remark how fatty the duck was that I was eating. Select a regional libation pairing to go with your gnocchi dish. You're going to get some bonus points. Step 1, peel and rice your potatoes. Okay everybody, next step, now that your dough looks like this, is to roll out your gnocchi. Okay everybody, now that your strands of gnocchi look like this, and I hope they look like this, because if they don't at this point, we're gonna have some pretty funny judging. It's time to cut. Pay attention, because this is what makes gnocchi gnocchi. Fork tines on one side, beautiful little pinch on the other. Now we're gonna put it all together. Boil your gnocchi, assemble your plates. Making gorgonzola cream sauce. Now the last bit that we're looking for. Ellen, are you hungry?
Mamma mia!